My dear students, good morning. In my previous video, I talked about how to write formal invitation. In this video, I am going to tell you how to write an informal invitation and how to give proper replies to that for informal invitation, right? So, if you have not seen the previous video that is related to formal invitation, I request all of you to see that video, right? Okay, let's start our discussion. Here I have written one informal invitation, and here I have written the proper reply to that informal invitation. Okay. So before I start, let me tell you the question. The question is very simple. Abhinav Aradhna has cleared the pre-medical, pre-dental entrance examination. The family is elated at the achievement and they decide to have a get-together of all friends. Draft an informal invitation for the get-together. This is the question. Now, my dear students, as I told in my previous video, that whenever we write informal invitation, it is more or less like giving informal replies, writing an informal letter to your friend, right? The main difference is about the word limit. Whenever you write an informal invitation or formal invitation, the word limit is 50 words, right? So whenever you will write, please mention, please understand and stick to the word limit, stipulated word limit, right? So whenever you write an informal invitation, first is you will mention your address as I have mentioned here. Then you will mention date, the date on which you are writing that invitation. The next is the proper salutation, dear friends. Then the most popular way to invite your friends is written here. I have written here. You are cordially invited for dinner on. You will mention the date on which you are going to organize that function. You are going to organize that function. Okay. Mention the date. After that, at our residence, mention where you are going to organize that function. Okay, because if you will not mention the place, then the venue, if you will not mention the venue, then how your friends will come there. Okay, my dear students, so mention the venue, proper venue, and then the reason of the celebration. As in the question paper it is said that your son has cleared the pre-medical, pre-dental entrance examination and you are going to organize a get together, organize a party to celebrate that. Okay, please mention this, the reason of the celebration in that informal invitation. Okay, my dear. After mentioning that, at the last, you conclude by saying that kindly grace the occasion uh, and give him your blessings for his future success. Okay, and again, proper salutation. Since you're sincerely, Mrs. and Mr. Gupta. Okay, my dear. So whenever you write an informal invitation, mention, remember some of the things, the proper address, date, salutation, then the proper opening, you are cordially invited, venue, where you are going to organize the function. After giving the information regarding venue, give the reason why you are organizing that function. After giving reason, then according to the situation, say that grace the occasion and bless my son or my sister uh, for his or her future success. Okay, my dear. So that's all about your informal invitation. Now, whenever you are writing replies to informal invitation, right, my dear? See, there are two kinds of possibilities. First, you will be in a position to attend the function. Okay, so you will write an invitation in affirmation. Okay, the second possibility is you might have some other engagements on the same date, on the date in which the function has been organized. So you will write. Still, you need to reply. If you are not in a position to attend the meeting or attend the function, still you need to reply to your friend. By the way, he's your friend, right? So you need to reply to that. Now this is in, I have written this in negation, means you are not in a position to attend the function. The question is again, let me read out the question for you. This question was asked by CBSE. Okay. See, one of your friend has cleared the pre-medical, pre-dental entrance examination and he or she invited you to attend a get-together of all friends. Draft a reply to the invitation expressing your acceptance, refusal to attend the party. You are Aloka. Okay, my dear. As I said, if you are in a position to attend the function, you write the invitation. If you are not in a position to attend the function, still you need to reply to your friend. Okay, my dear. So the same format you need to follow, just a slight change in the language, okay, my dear. See, you will start by writing your address, and then you will mention the date. After mentioning the date, you will write proper solution, dear Amita, or whatever the name of your friend. Okay, then first you will congratulate that your friend has invited you on this occasion. So you will first congratulate your friend by just saying that accept my heartiest congratulations on your grand success, or creating the examination, the examination like pre-medical and pre-dental is not a small feat. So accept my heartiest congratulations for you for your success. And then after that, you will mention that why are you not able to attend the function, right? So I would have loved to be a part of of your celebration. However, I would not be able to attend function due to some prior engagements. You will write that you will not be in a position to attend the function because of some prior engagements. Okay, and then before you wind up your invitation, you will write that I really feel bad for not being a part of that function. Please accept my best wishes, and then you write yours truly, Aloka, or whatever your name is. Okay, my dear, this was all about how to give a reply indication. If you are not in a position to attend the invitation, you write in that way. Suppose you are in a position to attend the function, then no need to write in a such pompous way. You can just write that accept my heartiest congratulations on your success, and thanks for inviting me. I am very happy to attend the function, or I am very happy that you have invited me. I will be there for the day, and I will be happy to celebrate with you. Right, my dear students? So that's all about writing an informal invitation and how to give a proper reply to that informal invitation. I hope the video is meaningful. We'll meet in the next class with a new video. Thank you, my dear students.